ladders straddle the rails really easy, hooks straddle the rails really easy. Long stuff can sit right on top of the rails, and you can either hold the rails and the tool, or with some ladders, you can put your arms through the rungs, just grab the rails and just slide them up. Chainsaws, you may find it easier to just let it hang from your arm or to set it on the rails. Whatever works for you is fine. But the big thing is make sure that the bar points opposite your direction of travel. So if you're going face first, up or down, the bar points to your rear. If you're going backwards, backing down, the bar points forward. It goes the opposite of your direction of travel. So you don't get it caught where? In the bracing. That's all the bracing on the side for the rails. That's really, this is going to get turned just slightly sideways and get jammed in there. If you're going face first and this gets jammed, that might be the thing that causes you forward. Just kind of hangs you up. If it's this way, it can't get hung up. Then coming down, if I come down face first, I can't slide tools down ahead of me, right? That's going to be a quick ride to the bottom. So I may have to switch it up. If I had a hook that I pushed up, coming down, I may have to put it on the rail and slide it down, kind of like you do with ground ladders. If you push the ladder up, you don't have to push it down. Turn it on its beam, slide it down the rungs right next to you. It's like a suitcase that you just slide along with you.